Okay, so this is a whole street of all graffiti, and they're actually doing some artwork too. Just gonna come and see what they're doing. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so I'm walking back into it. So that's the main entrance of the street. And I don't know. These are kind of interesting. These are like little trikes. They got like a motorcycle kind of deal with them. It's like they've got like 3 wheels. You can only see like 1 wheel there. So it's like a trike that has like 3 wheels. So it's kind of interesting. Let's see. There's a lot of trees, so a lot of the artwork is on the other side of the trees, which is fine too. Okay, kind of randomness. Some artwork up there. So I guess you got some well-known artists up on the wall. And then you also got these over there too. Okay. Let's keep seeing what else is around here. Oh, this whole building too, it's called Chuya Street. So the name of the street is called Chuya Street. Okay. Okay, looks like we got a lot more to see. Let's get up closer to it. So yeah, it's a lot of things everywhere here. A lot of cool stuff. Oops. Yeah, this whole street's called Chuya Street. So Chuya means graffiti, apparently. I didn't know that before, but I'm learning it now. Some art stuff in there. Okay. Okay, so we're kind of checking out some more artwork. So we're gonna check over this one too. So yeah, this one looks pretty cool. So yeah, I think this might be the art university. If it's not, then I don't know what it is, but a lot of people with pictures taking a lot of photographs. And it looks pretty cool. Just kind of walk in. There's all this kind of, it's kind of an interesting way to show off a place. So we're gonna walk down this way, and I think we got more cool stuff down here too. I used to teach at Hongdae University in Seoul, which was Korea's art university. And this kind of has a lot of coolness here too. Reminds me a lot of the Hongdae's campus now that it has like a lot more artwork around and more trees everywhere. Some of these trees are beautiful too. So are the buildings. Wow. So yeah, some pretty cool stuff. It's kind of like a path. It seems like everybody's walking a certain way and looking at things. I don't know if I'm going the wrong way or if just everywhere is interesting. But I think we're gonna just walk down this way. The university is really interesting in general. Okay, kind of cool stuff everywhere. Kind of cool statue. So, okay. Okay, so we're walking back out of the thing and into the main street straight ahead. So yeah, this is a little taste of the campus. There's probably a lot of stuff that I don't know that's here. So, that's the whole campus back there. So this is a whole street of all graffiti, and they're actually doing some artwork too. Just gonna come and see what they're doing. So, okay. This wall looks like anybody can draw it. Okay. Let's go see what else is up on the wall. Yeah, this is all, I can smell a lot of fresh paint, and a lot of people are doing some stuff right now.
Toma cuidado la voz divina.